how to change your age on Zleak. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can change your age on Zleak. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Zleak app and go to settings. Over here, you'll notice that you cannot change your age directly in the app because it is set during the sign up process. After that, go to your browser and search for Zleak support. Then look for their official email address and tap on it to open your default email app. Next, compose an email with the subject line Change Age in App. Over here, explain why you need to update your age and send the email to the support team. If you have a relatively new account, another option is to create a new account using the different email address or phone number. So that's how you can change your age on Zleak. That's all for this video.